In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Google. Select All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Tap on Google Password Manager next, and finally click on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!